All right, nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I have some aloe vera right here, which I'm going to be blending. The aloe vera, no water, no nothing. It's just natural aloe vera inside of this. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply blend it up for about 2 to 3 seconds. But I wanna say to you, the aloe vera is very good for your skin, for your face, for a lot of stuff. And honestly, this works really good. And you know what I mean, as I say, if you want to try this one, you can try it. So basically, I was going to record a part with the aloe vera when I remove it from the skin, but I have a lot of video on my YouTube channel how I did it. Cut the aloe vera and remove it and just use it just like this. But anyway, guys, this is a really fantastic one. I'm just going to be blending it up for about 2 seconds to 3 seconds, and no, definitely you guys will like this one. So basically, as you can see, I just blend it and you can see the froth and everything from it. And I want to tell you something, guys, the aloe vera works really well. And you know what I mean, as I say, you can do the same thing at home. You can buy aloe vera. Aloe vera is a little bit expensive though, but you can buy it. You can also, you know what I mean, wash your hair with it. It's good for your skin. It's good for so many things. People use it to make tea. It's good for detoxing and a lot more things. If you have any, like say you're allergic to aloe vera, please do some research before you use it, because we all know that some people are allergic to a lot of stuff. All right, guys. As I said, I will definitely come with the full video of how I remove the aloe vera from the skin and make you guys see how I did that. All right, but anyway, give it a try. And as I say, I'm gonna use this to wash my hair now, and you know, definitely it will work miracle. All right, thank you for watching my show. So basically, guys, for your ear, you know what I mean, as I say, once you put this in your ear, you can leave it in your ear for the next 3-4 days and 4 days, and then wash it. But if you use it on your skin, it's good for you to wash it off on your skin. But as I say, do some research about aloe vera. It's very good for you and really good for your skin, for your ear, and a lot more stuff.